Book One TV.
Yeah, jacket na show omo no. And your winter jacket oh. Nice jacket. The tracksuit a brand.
Oh, five. One is a jacket na. Jacket na. Oh, five. Hey, chilo. Jacket na. Hey, now what quite when you Ghana is Banaze?
Yeah,
oh, jacket now or trend. Jacket now or trend would Dubai Honum. Why I pop. Now, only your bandana, you man.
I didn't say a winter jacket and I say a day.
The question is there as a no.
Difference between tracksuit and a winter jacket. Right?
Okay, it's what shade or why do you hoodie?
The jacket na. Mon fata dia na team na me brand. Sister, I brand
Mercedia Productions. And I want lunch one jacket who Dubai no. Or what's the door or your jacket na enjoyment 24/7. 24/7 na wala na Auntie Mercy Ghana is ban no when you be ho and now brofuzia na worizi Ghana is ban no fufu na azun when you be ho
ma request fufu any abankwan
fufu na abankwan wo Dubai
ana banku ne nkruma enso ba ya manjia yetimi ya bibia ya ba jacket producer sheda yi wo bi Ese yedi abrofo aduane na enkaye enti no omonye area ma me nche wade aduane ayedi amabi akani
abaze what kakra mu na mo WhatsApp what kakra mu na mo WhatsApp ay Auntie Mercy what kakra mu
before eti edu ba bia ye ma ya mamre no ani amane no
na Auntie Mercy ayaze papa na mama kanyi de sisiara na we kodu Dubai honom na world project Ghana wo Dubai wori Ghana eziban wo honom dam na wan fa ma nkwa no wa wo hwam we ya
na jacket na
jacket na zo ba wan fa ma zambram
sister jacket na me ba me de wo de be bro
for bram na mo chat jacket na
the brand of Mercedia Production.
Auntie Mercy, now Pocho 5 years. Binyim de journey no onye easy.
Customer from Nana Ajima Bedudia.
Ohene.
Yes.
Mo Pocho binyim da 5 years onye easy. Na ebeka de journey no wakodan amo. Mercedia Productions. Wo trust ne mayare share series no oye fell content quality. Picture, quality, sound, editing, muje, drones nyina wom, mopocho journey no otadan for 5 years.
What name? 5 journey, 5 years journey, and easy, enough for. And near my bebre, any affair, and unti, and I did very relaxing, I would Dubai, and ye be release this stress and ya communo, because a whole lot, and ye fair. And a sabi ya dosu bebre and a near ye jumano and I am some quite a big cock ne be back and you know and yet better and a fair move up to 5 is say a naso an executive producer in Yinan and Naswa a big crank me na ya da adum TV for us. Wouldn't inside TV for almost almost do ya and a crack.
Oh, yeah,
yeah, approach you, woman. Yeah, Lucy, above tree by no. Yeah, demonstration. And I'm approach you almost the Argentina at your comb. No one you see a culture as someone abu any mekaye, then time a blind yadom. Almost say, and yes, woman Ghanaian content, but they want the quality. Wow. If we can do the quality for them, they will show it. And I don't watch Raya say, they always want the quality works. 85 years in any Adum TV and AD. The whole Ghana TV series and epic there. One
Messia. One Messia. Why is it papa umbo in a Juma? That way a Juma so Casse or Ghana had they no could do Dubai no war a tear don't know Auntie Messi. Mama Mundu break the baby. Quadnaqua enjoy go and chill with your team. To that mechano or your jackets and now Minjo had the answer but papa jackets and jackets and
but as anti-formals and Tina Muslim answer, there is a difference between sweater and the winter jackets. When the chassis, there's someone I sweater, a poor Moko sweater or force when I'm over there. A poor winning winter jacket. Woof, you want to was here for Mr. Musan 10 years anti-form. There's a difference between sweater and the winter when the chassis. Someone a more can't come back at some sweater. Move on, cross something with Chimino, Moon, and your winner, dear Sikana, from Jimmy Franco was here. Member Penacrano, Nidi a good Dubai from Jimmy. Ocean sweater, I say, I see my winter jacket. A poor was scared to winter jacket. And I sweat and I'm going to Moody Trasley. Moody, I'm a check.
Book One TV.